Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these Sport BS80 headphones that I bought from Fields. They were $5.99 plus tax. Now, there isn't a whole bunch on the box. I'll throw a blown up picture for you. It says high-res audio, active noise canceling, anti-drop earphone. On the back of the box, I'm just going to throw this up for you now. You can pause it if you want and read it, or you can just ignore it. This is a continuation of cheap earbuds Extravaganza, where I've been testing a bunch of cheaper earphones to see if you can actually get a good set for a cheap price. Okay. No extra ear caps. No extras in the box. Very cheap feeling plastic. In a nice blue color though. Throw a picture up there for you. Got Sport on the back. Not appearing to be marked left or right. It does have a TRRS jack, and looks like a microphone. It's got a little hole in the back here and a single button. Alright, let's see what they sound like. They don't feel terrible. But they do sound terrible. I'm gonna pause it and say they play fairly loud, but all they're playing is absolute distorted, muffled garbage. Not very good at all. I'm gonna continue to listen to my test tracks. Wow, absolutely horrible. I can't even believe how crappy these are. These were $6, and it is definitely, for the price, the absolute worst ones we have tested so far. I'm going to rate these. If you see these in the store and you have an extra $6, buy these and throw them in the garbage so you can save the next guy the pain of actually buying those and listening to them, because they are absolute garbage for $6. Unbelievable. They, compared to the $1.25 Dollar Tree earbuds that weren't very good, and I think they're maybe even worse. Alright, I wasn't going to do this, but just cause that's the way I am. This is the sound of the microphone on the earbuds hanging from your ears as you would normally wear them. And this is the sound of the microphone approximately 3 inches away from my mouth. So if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, then please give a like and subscribe. I'm going to put a playlist here of all of the cheap earbuds Extravaganza videos that I've been doing. I'll toss up another video as well, and here's a subscribe. If you haven't already done so, then please subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another video of earbuds, because throughout harvest it's going to be hard for me to make some content, so these quick videos are going to be able to make it so that I can actually continue to make some videos during a very busy time of year for me. So I hope you enjoy, and bear with me until after harvest is done, and then we'll get into some better stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.